Welcome back to Madilicious. Today I am making some chicken salad. Now, this chicken salad is delicious, easy to make, very minimal ingredients, so let's get started. I have some steamed chicken here that I just went ahead and shredded, popped it in the refrigerator, and it is nice and cold because I love when my chicken salad is cold, so it'll be ready to eat, ready to go. Here I have some cold mayonnaise, about half a cup of green onion, okay? And I just take my kitchen shears and just go ahead and just cut it into small pieces. A little pinch of sugar, right? Completely optional. Some pepper, some salt, and this celery seed is what you don't want to miss out on because it gives it that really nice flavor. So I like to actually mix up my mayonnaise, right? But what I do is I mix in the ingredients into my mayonnaise first before I incorporate it into the chicken. That way everything can get nicely seasoned, nicely coated. Going in is the sugar now, right? Everything can get nicely seasoned. Let's add some pepper, okay? Salt and pepper to taste. I use very, very little bit of salt, like maybe even just that's it, a couple shakes. And I am incorporating the celery seed now. I like to use a lot of celery seed. I just love the flavor of it, the smell of it. It smells delicious. And I just go ahead and I mix this up, right? Mix it up, because that way you can incorporate the whole entire sauce on each piece of chicken as opposed to having chunks of this, chunks of that, pieces of sugar somewhere that doesn't get mixed in well to the shredded chicken. You just want everything to be nicely coated, evenly coated, okay? And I would say try this, but I know some of you guys don't really like just eating mayonnaise kind of by itself, so you can wait to try it until you incorporate it into the chicken. So then I add the green onions afterwards, right? Let's go ahead and show you guys. Look how easily that just comes out. If you use the silicone spatula, you're in business, right? All right, it already smells good. I smell that celery seed for sure. Okay, all right, try to get every little bit. Let's get that out of our way. All right, now let's add in this green onion. These green onions, this is something you do not want to miss, right? I like to use green onion. I know some people use celery, but I love to use green onion because one, it cuts down on ingredients, right? I like the celery for the crunch, but the green onion has the crunch and the flavor. So you don't need to add onion, anything else. Let's go ahead and mix this up, you guys. And depending on how wet or dry you like your chicken salad, that really matters with how much mayonnaise you're going to add. And look how easy this is, right? This is a quick meal. You can make it for lunch, a snack, dinner, breakfast, whatever you want it for. It's so quick, right? Now, if you don't want to steam your chicken, you can buy a whole rotisserie chicken and use that. You can bake your chicken, whatever you want to do, boil your chicken. I just prefer to steam it because I actually steam some for my dog. So I might as well steam some for my own chicken salad. So it's just easier. Steam 3 pieces of chicken. I use 2 large chicken breasts in this. All right. And look, this is perfect. Perfectly measured out, right? I'm gonna just take a little taste. Get some onion. That's good. That's really good. Wow. That's actually perfectly seasoned. I'm actually gonna try one more little bite just to make sure. You know what? Perfect. Okay, so the best part, you guys, I like to have some whole grain crackers. It also helps too, if you're making something that needs to be cold and you kind of want to eat it right away, chill your bowl in the refrigerator or the freezer, depending on how soon you're going to eat it, so that while you're mixing, it's already kind of chilling as it goes, instead of having to wait, pop it in the fridge, right? So I'm just topping this. This is probably one of my easiest recipes. So good. I'm gonna have a little tomato without probably eat it by itself. You can cut it up. I'm gonna try it with a multi-grain cracker. Really good. Tomato. Wow. Look how easy this was. All right, just incorporate all your ingredients, mix it up. I guarantee you, if you guys follow this recipe to a T, measurements, everything, you will be pleasantly surprised. So, I have the recipe on my Instagram and down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much, and thank you for watching again. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish this, share some with my family and friends, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.